it got fuel in it?
Ah, yeah. Oh yeah, there's like barely any fuel. Yeah, it's definitely misfire as well.
Go.
You can like literally feel the power. Like, that sounds like a fighter jet behind you. Yeah, there's a lot of faults. Oh my god, what have we got ourselves into here? And why did I break the screen? We were in a simulation. Just lifted a basketball, caught up to bring a Bugatti out. So let's get the Bugatti out of here and start getting it to the workshop where we're going to rebuild it. And we're just going to pretend that everything that's happening now is completely normal. We need to left hand down it.
Look at this. Crash already.